If you follow me already, you know that I'm a big fan of drinking celery juice and the heavy metal detox smoothie. These are two tools that really help remove heavy metals out of the brain and the body. I do not just recommend them because I've seen great results in clients. I've also seen great results in myself. I am someone who used to suffer with anxiety and depression. I worked as a hairstylist for many years. I was bombarded by chemicals. I took pharmaceuticals for many years, and I can honestly tell you that these two tools are a game changer, not only for removing toxic heavy metals, but for your overall health. If you have a child struggling with autism or ADHD or any of the conditions that I mentioned earlier, one thing you want to do is focus on organic produce as much as you can. I know that it can get expensive, but things that you can buy conventionally to save money would be things like citrus, your oranges, lemons, limes, avocados, melons, things like that. And things that you want to keep organic are berries, your lettuces, your potatoes, but really just do the best you can. Just try to bring in as much organic as you possibly can, because everything is, sprayed with pesticides, which is toxic heavy metals. If you have a child with autism or ADHD, I just want you to know that there is hope and that medication is not your only answer. So one thing that we need to look at is the diet. We need to look at the processed food, we need to look at the ingredients, and we need to look at your environment. As I mentioned earlier, we need to look at what kind of household items you have, that's bringing in more toxic heavy metals. And there are a lot of foods that can help remove the toxic heavy metals. There's a lot of supplements and herbs that can help cognitively, that can also bring calmness. So do not give up hope.